In this tutorial, we will see that how you can make a stand in Please Donate in just few steps. So let's dive in. So we are in Roblox. Now, in dashboard, it will show you this create option. If you click on that, it will open this Roblox Studio. Now, in the left side, it will show you some of more options. You have to click on this creations. Then you will be on this creations tab. Or if you don't find this creations, you can simply type this URL of create.roblox.com/dashboard/creations. Now from here in creations, you will be on this experiences. You have to scroll down and tap on that place. Then it will open this place, and on the left side you will find some of more options. You have to scroll down. Now in monetization you will find this passes. Click on that, and here you will find option to create a pass. Click on that, and here you will find this change button. Click on change and select icon for your Please Donate stand. You can rename it from here and click on create pass. After creating it, you can see that it's now on off sale. Now to make it on sale, simply open it, and on the left side you will find this sales option. Click on that and turn on this toggle to item for sale. Now you can write price here like Robux if you want to sell this. So I will write this 10 Robux, and here you will get this creator earnings are 70%. Then click on save changes, and here you'll find this notification of pass updated successfully. Now you have to open your Please Donate and find any empty Please Donate stand, and then keep pressing E from your keyboard. After pressing E, you will claim Please Donate stand. Now to rename it, again keep pressing E, and it will give you some of more options to edit it, and it will show your all game passes here. So that's how you can make a stand in Please Donate in just few steps.